Welcome to the new Up. The City Specialist boasts remarkable technology and is particularly notable for its attractive design, functionality, exterior dimensions and spaciousness. Take loading, for example. Its interior concept makes this small car really big. Even items measuring up to 2 meters can be stowed. Take the drive, for example. The completely new generation of 3-cylinder engines is efficient, compact and light, just like the Up itself. As well as 2 petrol engines, there is a natural gas drive which emits just 79 grams of CO2 per kilometre. This is also thanks to BlueMotion Technologies in the Up. As well as energy recovery and low-resistance tyres, the start-stop function is also on board. This is especially convenient when the Up comes with the automated manual transmission. This operates the clutch and cuts fuel consumption by changing gear at just the right time. Take navigation, for example. The portable Maps Plus More navigation system is integrated into the vehicle network of the Up and performs control and display functions. The Think Blue trainer is the first app to show the system's possibilities. Take safety, for example. The city emergency braking system is automatically activated at speeds of less than 30 km per hour. It uses a laser sensor to scan the area in front of the Up in order to detect stationary and moving vehicles in the traffic ahead. Like here, where reaction time is crucial. The system immediately recognizes the critical situation and automatically applies the brakes. That went well. The city emergency braking system could avoid an accident completely. The new Up. The only Volkswagen in its class.